you want to start a cosmetic business fast and on a tight budget? Well, we've got the answer for you. We've just launched a Start a Cosmetic Business Fast workshop series where we're focusing on showing you how to create an organic anti-aging skincare range, an organic anti-acne skincare range, an organic whitening skincare range, and an organic sensitive skincare range. Now, all of the formulas in these workshop series are suitable to be certified with Cosmos to the Certified Organic Standard. We also teach you how to change ingredients to suit different brand philosophies, even if being organic is not important to you. We talk you through how to make changes to the formulas to suit your individual brand and ingredient sourcing needs. All of the formulas contain active ingredients to make sure they really get results, and they've all been designed for you to start on a very tight budget. We've also got a Stability Testing Essentials workshop series which pairs nicely with the Start Your Cosmetic Business series. It is important for a brand to conduct stability testing on their products and hold evidence to support the shelf life. So we've taken the minimum essential testing requirements you'll need as a small brand to conduct your stability testing wisely. And this has also been designed to help those brands on a really tight budget. Each of our workshops comes with an easy to follow booklet and lecture guidance talking you through, along with demonstrations on how to prepare each of the formulas in the Start a Cosmetic Business workshop series, and stability tables, as well as how to read and interpret your stability results with the Stability Testing Essentials workshop. We'll also give you tips and tricks on the types of packaging and extra compliance requirements you'll need to think of with your brand, along with where to go for label and evidence guidelines. There's also guidance on next steps and getting your products ready to sell, as well as where to learn manufacturing tips, tricks, and know-how, again on that tight budget. So what are you waiting for? These workshops make it easy for you to start small and dream big. Start your cosmetic business today with our Start a Cosmetic Business Fast workshop series and Stability Testing Essentials. Visit personalcarescience.com.au and click on our workshops page to find the best workshop series to suit your brand goals. Happy formulating!